Okay, so in this example, this is a good one that I like to start with because you notice that they don't have like denominators, right? And that's pretty obvious. This one is 2y plus 4, and that one's y plus 2. Now, rather than trying to determine, what is it do I need to multiply by, which you might be able to say, and try to look into determining your LCM, always, when looking with rational expressions, we can always look and see how can we simplify these first. Always want to simplify them first by applying our factoring. So when looking at this example, we can't simplify anything in our numerator. However, a denominator we can simplify by factoring out a 2. So let's rewrite this equation as 2 times y plus 2 minus 3 over y plus 2, as we cannot simplify this at all. Now, when we go ahead and write our LCM, it's very obvious to see that our LCMs, I'll just put this in parentheses just so it looks the same. You can see that both of these denominators have a y plus 2. The only difference between the two denominators is this one's multiplied by 2 and this one is not. So therefore, to apply our operation, this denominator needs to be multiplied by 2 as well. So if we're going to multiply our denominator by 2, we need to make sure we multiply our numerator by 2. Therefore, now we can combine them to equal y minus 6 over 2 times y plus 2. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and find our constraint, now we notice that's going to be our finalized answer. But remember, when looking at our constraint, we want to set our denominator equal to 0, because we want to find what values for y make our denominator equal to 0. When we find that value that makes our denominator equal to 0, that's going to be the value that we're going to say our denominator cannot be. It's not going to be a part of our solution. So to solve that, I'll divide by 2, and I get y plus 2 equals 0. Minus 2 minus 2, y equals negative 2. So therefore, we say y cannot equal negative 2. Why? Because when y equals negative 2, our denominator equals 0. So we're going to say y cannot equal negative 2, and that will be our restriction. Thanks.